Hello everyone, today I have this What's Up nails polish on my nails, and they are located in Chandler, Arizona, but this is a color Mauver and Shaker, the name of it. So on my skin tone, it kind of looks different in the bottle. When I applied it, it looks the same on camera, but in real life it kind of, this is different than the actual nail polish on my hand. The skin tone, I guess my skin tone makes it more pinker. So yeah, so I wanted to stamp something for Mother's Day, and I have these two plates. This one is from Moira, and I wanted to do something like a circle with something, you know, flowers or something, and then maybe letters inside of it. So here's another one, and I think I'm gonna use this one because it looks, this one's bigger, this one's not, so we'll see. I might change my mind. And this one's also from Moira, and this one's called Blossometry 2, plate 93. And then I have these two letter ones. I like the cursive. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. Let's see. The only ones I like from this is the bottom. I mean, for that image, or that M's too big. And this M is okay, but to me it doesn't look like an M, it looks like an H. I don't know, that's me. And this one I think is too big. Oh, it's right here. That's a good size. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna be using She Modern, and I am gonna use this plate. Oh, I didn't even have that closed all the way. So we're gonna go ahead and start stamping. Trying to see if you guys can see the image here. Came out perfect. Okay, there it is. Beautiful. Hopefully it doesn't come out all I have my coffee here, so it's kind of hard to my coffee. Please don't come out all jagged. Okay, let me see if I can do it this way. Hopefully I got that on there. So it didn't get the whole... Let me see if I can fix this. That's alright. I knew it, because my nails are kind of curved. It's still pretty. I feel like I went over to the side too much, but it's still beautiful. I'm just cleaning my stamper now. And I need to pause this while I clean my scraper and stamping plate. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned the scraper and everything. Now I want to use shiny white crystal flakes. And I should have got a paper towel, but that's fine. And all I'm gonna do is, if I could find something to push it in, like this. And it's kind of curved. All right, let's dust this off. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Delicate. I don't know if you guys could see that. So beautiful. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I was still trying to decide, but I think I'm gonna go with this one, and I hope that M fits in there. Hopefully, because that means I would have to remove it all. Let's see, where is my white? Oh, here we go. Where's the M again? Right there. Doesn't look like it's gonna fit. So I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna take off the edges. Whoops. No. 'Cause it looks like it's not gonna fit. Oh, I forgot to clean my scraper. So let's move you. Does that still look like an M? Yes. Okay, let's try this. Fit. don't know. Barely fit in there. It's kind of sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna leave it white. I'm gonna do the same thing. Cleaning this, because then I'll forget. And then we'll add this. This stuff is beautiful. Okay. All right. We'll do the same thing. I still have the sparkly on there. Just gonna push it in. Beautiful. Sparkly. Okay. Close this. And we're gonna brush off. Oh, it's beautiful. Sparkly goodness. And all this is regular. I mean, no gel. That's what I'm saying, no gel. Okay, I need to look at it this way. Yes, it's cute. Okay. So I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm going to put a water base polish. It's Ant over this so I don't lose the glittery, but hold on one second. Okay, so someone came to the door, so I had to stop. So I'm gonna put this over, thin layer. I don't know about this M. I might change it, I don't know. I don't know. I feel like it looks out of place. Let me know what you guys think, but I most likely will end up changing this. Okay, so I'll be back again. Okay, you guys, so I ended up changing the letter. Where is it at? I ended up using the clear, where is it at? Clear jelly stamper. I don't know where the name is. Down here maybe? I don't know. There's no name, but it's the letters. And I used this M because I didn't like the other one, so I ended up using that. And then I used this image. So I'm gonna show you now. So yeah. I did get interrupted when I stamped this now again, even though I changed it. I did these first and then I removed this one and then redid it, but so that's it right there. Yes, so this would probably look awesome outside. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a happy Mother's Day. God bless and have fun stamping away.